This is an Asus UX21E. We are currently working on a keyboard. We offer laptop repairs on Asus. It can be hard drive related, motherboard problems, screen replacements. In this case, this laptop had a liquid damage. We've replaced the keyboard, and we are swapping the keys to the new keyboard that's on the laptop. The old keyboard was a French keyboard, so the current keyboard on here is an English keyboard, so it's just a matter of swapping the keys out so it will look all as a French keyboard. So for more information, you can give us a call on 0208 658 4366.